Welcome back to Help Me DIY. Today I'm going to help you convert your stock Boxster taillights from this to this. Okay, here they are. Just came in from my Amazon order. So let's open them up and see what we have. Two boxes in there. Well packaged. There she is. It's nice. And our connector. So this should be the left side. The only small imperfections I can see are right here. This is a little bit rough, and right here it looks like there's a speck of something that got trapped in the lens. All right, box number 2. So, right side also looks very similar, and this must be a release spot on their mold, because in the same area I have this rough little edge. All right, again, this is our before. Please excuse the mess over here. This is going in for painting, and a little Joe Toth spoiler coming. So here is how we're starting. Also of note currently, my left taillight is not working properly. Some of the lights work sometimes, but it's not the bulb. So I'm gonna see if replacing this assembly also fixes this. So when I have the lights on, the parking lights work on the right. They do not work on the left, but you can see that the turn signal works, and I've checked all the bulbs down there and they're all fine. Okay, so anyway, we pop our rear. Okay, sorry, my painter has already started on this car and he did not replace some of these. So there are some of these, they're just plastic rivets that are pressed in. You can just get a little screwdriver under there and pull it out. So typically there will be one right here that you have to pull out, and then on this screw there will be a black piece kind of similar to that you unscrew to remove from here, and there's one more if you reach all the way back holding it on. So there'll be 2 of those. This one slides out from under here, and this little piece comes out so you can see where the other one would be down here typically. And down in here there is a connector you push on both sides, and wiggle it loose, and the connector will come out. And then there are 4 of these little 8mm nuts to remove. 1, 2, 3, 4. You'll see them way back in there. And these are what holds the whole assembly onto the back of the car. Try not to drop those way back there so you don't have to hunt for them. Now I probably have a little extra wiring than you. I have something that comes down here to a reverse backup camera. Okay, once that's disconnected, you can just push this right out. And this is our stock taillight assembly. I'm gonna clean this all out real quick. Okay, new left assembly. Slide right into place here. So back on the inside, just take our 4 nuts, put them back on. So as for fitment, it seems to be pretty good. As I am going to tighten these, you can see how I can raise and lower this gap here and the bottom. There's a little bit, so I'm just going to try to keep it centered over here while I go back in and tighten all of the nuts up. All right, now here's our stock connector, and there are tabs here and tabs here, so there's only one way you can align it. Press them in together, and this is what we have. So, stock versus new. I love that look. So let's see if it works. Okay, well, so much for that. Seems like it's not a problem with the assembly, but it's a problem with something electrical, possibly a fuse, so I'll have to look into that, figure it out. But the turn signal still works, so at least we haven't lost any functionality. Hey, Millie. All right, it's the exact same thing on the other side. I just removed the 4 bolts. Slide this right out. I'm gonna clean up this area in here again and put the new one in. And the right side slides in. And don't forget to connect this. Just tucked my wire back under here to keep it out of the way, and reinstall these little covers, and that's it. So expect about a 20-minute install tops, and this is our final result, which I think looks pretty awesome. This is, in my opinion, by far the easiest mod with the best looking results that you can get as far as time that it takes to do it. Now, they weren't the cheapest mod. It was $700, something around that. I will put a link in the description below, so feel free to click on that, check it out. If you are interested in this mod, get yourself a pair. Okay, and this is our final result. This is with the headlights on, so that's going to be your running light essentially at night with the headlights on. And when you hit the brake pedal, okay, and when you press the brake pedal, we have our 4 external LEDs that go on, as well as your other standards. So brake lights are working on both sides of the car at least. So if anybody knows why the running lights might not be working on just the left-hand side, please comment below and let me know. I'll do some research, but I need to figure that out. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time on Help Me DIY. P.S. Anybody looking for a stock set of taillights, I have some.